And how ironic, I'm like trying to work out without working out next to my treadmill, but I'm working out in this bed by lying here. It's not my fault, this is more efficient.
Hey everyone, I'm Jasmine.
Hi everyone, I'm Mireille.
And this week we'll be trying out this $500 sauna blanket, which is insane.
I want to know what the hype's about. Shout out and a special thank you for Higher Dose for sending us these complimentary blankets.
It's supposed to boost your circulation, improve your mood,
Detoxification, anti-anxiety,
it's supposed to help you sweat like you're working out without working out.
anti-aging, improve sleep.
I'm a little skeptical. In my head, it's one of those products I'm like, okay, if it really works, it should be in everyone's houses.
I'm pretty ready. I'm not really the type of person who works out much. This seems like it's right up my alley and it's gonna boost my health. Let's see if it measures up. Okay, here's the deal with the blanket. It's pretty thick actually. This is no joke. I mean, it's $500, but like you are buying what is like some heavy duty machinery.
So I assume that this is where you put your feet and then you cover up the blankets on either side and that's where your head kind of rests.
This thing has been preheating. It is hot. I got changed. I've got long sleeves on, got my pants, got some socks, put down a towel. I'm ready to sweat. I'm just gonna kind of wrap myself in here like the little burrito I was meant to be. All right.
Session 1. So far it's feeling really hot and I hate the heat, but not gonna lie, I think I feel kind of comforted. Actually, babe, would you mind turning on the TV for me?
You want to watch Korean dramas?
Yeah, can you just resume my latest K-drama, please? Thank you, this will be me for the next hour.
I've been inside for almost 30 minutes now and like I'm sweating bullets. Honestly, having the blankets laid down and the long sleeves and the socks especially, wow. It would have probably been a little damaging if I didn't have my skin covered. I'm a caterpillar and after I come out of this thing, I'm gonna be a butterfly.
I'm sweating so much. It's over now. Finally, the last 10 minutes were feeling super long because I was just ready to get out of here. I think I'm gonna need to get out really slowly and then take a big sip of water because I'm sure my body is dehydrated.
After yesterday, I had a really good night's rest. I was actually having some really bad neck pain yesterday. This probably might have helped because it does soothe your muscles. Excited to see how I feel today. I had a lot of salty foods for lunch. The detoxification might be really nice.
I feel like today's a little better because I know what I'm expecting. I wore 2 layers of socks today because I feel like my feet got overheated yesterday. I wanted to watch TV again, but I had a long day, so I think I'm just gonna try and take a nap.
Today I'm rocking a level 5. You know, I figured I was able to go hard on level 4 yesterday, so hopefully level 5 will be doable for me. I've had a pretty stressful day, not gonna lie, so I'm kind of looking forward to just kind of laying down, relaxing a bit.
I've decided to move downstairs to do the sauna blanket today.
I started my new Korean drama. And how ironic, I'm like trying to work out without working out next to my treadmill, but I'm working out in this bed by lying here. It's not my fault, this is more efficient.
I didn't really doze off or anything. It's pretty tough to sleep in this. It was actually really nice to just kind of be in my own head with my own thoughts.
It's day 4. This deep into the week, I can't say that I am seeing like scientific physical changes, but I do feel like I have less anxiety. I feel like during the day, things that would usually annoy me don't bother me as much anymore. I'm just like, whatever, man, I don't care. I think I could start doing this every day.
Today I'm gonna try out doing this on the floor. Either I'm so tired or this was just really comfortable, but today was actually super relaxing. I almost fell asleep. I'm ready to shower and go to bed and have a good night's sleep. I think I'm enjoying this. Look at this. Got a pimple here. Maybe it's the blanket, you know, the detoxification. All the toxins coming out of my body in the form of, obviously, you know, like pimples. Do I love it? No. But I'm also working from home and not really seeing people right now, so I could probably afford a couple pimples.
I actually broke out yesterday, so is that because of the blanket or the stress? I don't know. On one hand, I'm thinking, is it detoxification and it's coming out through blemishes, or it's just not working? I do feel pretty good in here though, so I can't lie.
It's day 7. We made it. At this point, honestly, I don't know if I prefer being on the ground or in my bed, but because it's set up on the ground and it's pretty tiring to move it, I'm keeping it on the ground, and today I decided I'm actually gonna do this during lunch.
I'm just not having a good day today, so I'm like, I just don't want to be in here. I thought it would help me release some steam, but I just like, I'm antsy.
So Jasmine asked me to get a vlog of her using a sauna blanket, but guess what? She fell asleep.
After 7 days of using this product, I definitely felt more relaxed, whether that be because of the blanket itself or the time I spent in it. Do I think the hype on the product is where it should be? No, I definitely see the technology of it being expensive.
At the end of the week, kind of looking at the whole situation, it's a $500 sauna blanket. Was it nice to have this week? Absolutely. Took a lot of stress off of me. It gave me that calorie burn without me having to move at all. But also, I could live without it. I think using it for a week was a great intro into using the sauna blanket because it does take some time to adjust to the heat and how to use it. But I'm gonna continue using it for the rest of the month and we'll see if it does anything special.
Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about the infrared blanket, click the link in the description.